Hello Gainies, back to my channel. In this comparison, we evaluate both Applegate and Just Bare offerings that fall into the baked/ready-to-cook or ready-to-eat category, emphasizing factors like antibiotic use, hormones, processing level, dietary certifications, and sourcing practices. Product number 1, Applegate. This product is a fresh, grill-flavored chicken breast strip option that emphasizes no antibiotics or added hormones and excludes nitrites and nitrates, as well as artificial or GMO ingredients. It is Whole30 approved, gluten-free, sugar-free, dairy-free, and casein-free, with humanely raised sourcing claims. Technical specs indicate a 0.5-pound item with fresh temperature condition, aligning with ready-to-slice convenience for salads, bowls, or wraps. Performance and user experience. In practice, the strips deliver a lean profile with solid moisture retention typical of grilled preparations, and they pair well with bold sauces or crisp vegetables. The absence of added sugars and nitrites supports a clean label appeal, though the grilled flavor may dominate milder sauces and less balanced. For meal prep, these strips work well in quick lunches and cold applications, but may require planning for thawing if purchasing frozen substitutes. Product number 2, Applegate Natural Gluten-Free Breaded Chicken Breast Tenders, Frozen. A frozen breaded chicken tender option that remains gluten-free and dairy-free, with no antibiotics or added hormones and no nitrites or nitrates. It targets convenience for quick meals or kids' meals and carries a certified gluten-free designation with humanely raised sourcing. The package is 16 ounces and frozen, making it a versatile freezer staple for bulk meal prep. Performance and user experience. The breaded format offers a familiar crispy texture when baked or air-fried, creating a more indulgent eating experience relative to plain grilled strips. The absence of artificial ingredients aligns with clean label expectations, but breading typically adds calories and potential starch content. Frozen storage is straightforward, though portioning can influence thawing consistency. Best used in quick weeknight meals, kids' lunches, or dipping scenarios. Pros include gluten-free certification. Product number 3, Just Bare Natural Fresh Chicken Tenders, antibiotic-free, boneless, skinless, 0.88 PLB. Just Bare's fresh chicken tenders emphasize antibiotic-free farming and minimal processing with third-party humane certification, American Humane Certified, and federal prohibition of hormones or steroids in poultry. The product weighs 0.88 PLB, with 26 grams of protein per typical serving, and focuses on a simple, unaltered protein experience suitable for flexible cooking. Performance and user experience. The tenders offer robust protein and a clean flavor profile suitable for quick sautés, grill marks, or oven roasting. The third-party humane certification provides assurance on welfare and sourcing. Because this is fresh, it benefits from rapid plan-ahead cooking, but requires refrigeration and timely use. The lack of added preservatives means flavor is dependent on seasoning. This is ideal for home cooks seeking natural chicken without added nitrates or fillers. Product number 4, Applegate. This is a ready-to-eat turkey breast option from Applegate, certified USDA organic, non-GMO project verified, and Whole30 approved. It boasts no antibiotics or added hormones, no nitrites or nitrates, and is gluten-free with dairy-free and casein-free characteristics. The product is fresh and weighs 6 ounces, presenting a lean protein alternative to chicken with a poultry-forward profile. Performance and user experience. The organic oven-roasted turkey provides a convenient sliced protein that can substitute chicken in sandwiches and bowls while maintaining clean label attributes. Its organic certification and absence of carrageenan appeal to label-conscious consumers. The product's fresh state necessitates proper refrigeration and timely consumption after opening. It pairs well with leafy greens, avocado, or mustard-based sauces,
offering a mild, versatile flavor that suits a variety of recipes. Pros include organic certification. Product number 5. Just Bare Chicken Natural Fresh Chicken Thighs, antibiotic-free, boneless, skinless, 1.25 pounds. Just Bare's chicken thighs offer an antibiotic-free, boneless, skinless option with 1.25 pounds of product. They are third-party humane certified and traceable to family farms with a 100% vegetarian-fed diet. This cut provides higher fat content relative to chicken breasts, contributing to juicier cooking outcomes, and lists gluten-free as a feature. Performance and user experience. Thighs are naturally more forgiving during cooking due to higher fat content, resulting in juicy results, whether roasted, pan-seared, or braised. The vegetarian-fed feed and traceability add value for consumers seeking transparent sourcing. As a bulk cut with 20 ounces weight, it offers versatility for meal prep, but the absence of skin and bone in preparation means you'll need to add your own seasoning and monitor fat rendering during cooking.